Cap 26 here, just two different pairs and hobbies. And we've got the BKL airgun mounts. And I'm going to open these up. These are about 1-inch tube for 1-inch scope. They're very good air ring, scope rings. Okay. And we got some tools here. Right in here, Allen wrench. So let's open that up. One Allen wrench. We're going to take one of these off. Okay. I'm going to show you something here on this. What you do with this ring to get it on your dovetail. This is a 9mm. 11mm, I'm sorry. It's 11mm. You want to take out these compression screws. You want to loosen them up on both sides. You can even take them out if you want. You can take them out like that. And when you put it on the gun, you put this screw, I actually use one of these. You put this in here and you thread it in, okay? You thread it all the way in. Actually, I think the other screw is going to be better. That's a set screw. So let me take that out. Sorry, guys. Take this screw, thread it in the middle, okay? And you see how it goes all the way across? See right there? It goes all the way across. And then you tighten it up. Tighten it up with your Allen wrench, like that, and that'll open up these teeth right here so you can get it on the dovetail. Okay, once you get on the dovetail, you can snap it on, and if it doesn't open up on the dovetail, do it a little bit more, and it'll open up and it'll spread this part right here. It'll spread. Got it on the dovetail on the rifle. You take this out like this, and it'll snap down onto the dovetail of the rifle. And then all you do is take your screws, put them back in on each side, and mount it. You know, screw it down to the rifle, you know, to whatever eye distance you want from the rear of the rifle. I usually go about 1 inch to 1.5 inches or 2 inches rear of the rifle, and put the scope on. Tighten this down, and that's how you put them on. Of course, you got 4 screws here for the cap rings. Now for the cap rings, I take these off, okay, the cap rings, and I lay the scope in there, and I put a magnet on top and level out the scope. Make sure the reticle is, you know, going up and down and across, perfectly. And then when I put the screws back in, I will go like this and tighten them this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now actually, see that screw? That came out of this. That's part of the That's part of the cap ring. Glad I know that. I wonder where that screw came from, guys. And girls. There's girls out there that do air gunning too. Let's not forget them. So that's the secret of putting these on. It's just putting one of these screws on this side to this side, tightening it down, tightening it so it spreads the clamp open. Then you can snap it on, pull it out from that side, and then put the screws back in. I usually run the screws on the right side of the gun, so both of them will be on, you tighten them down on the right side. And then do your tightening of your scope in an X pattern. Of course, you're gonna have more of these. You're gonna have these to do up here too. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, that 8. Do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's how you do the pattern. And make sure on the side here of the rings, you have the same distance where it splits on each side. I hope this explains to you how to use BKL scope rings. I think they're the best. I really do. I really think they're the best scope rings I've ever encountered. They're nice and tight, and you don't lose zero. You don't lose zero with them, you know. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. If you have any questions, please see the comments below for questions and give me the thumbs up. Also, I put some information in the description for this and where to get these. And hey, have a nice day. Bye for now.